So welcome to 20th part of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone, and at this point of time we have created Android application which looks and functions pretty nice and add a look to our Android application. As you can see it in front of your screen, it works pretty awesome, get much more attractive and use it again and again. So for that, first step we have to do is inside apps, open everything up. So you have to work with main activity and activity.xml and do some styling to our applications. For that, and select styles. Inside the styles and add dark action bar to parent theme add compat, and do whatever you like, and I'll keep it as light. Keep the primary color, let's just give it as color, for example orange. If you want, you can go ahead and do some research on material design and find the color whatever you like, FF9800, and let's just see if that applies. So there you see the design, it applies an orange color to that, and apply the same color, Control C, and in our primary as well. Comes over here, Control V, and let's see. So that doesn't looks good. Let it keep it as blue and blue only. If you want, you can do that. You got the point of how actually it works. So now it's pretty nice. Jump back to the step 2, and it's not gonna work if you have API level which is more less than 22, because some features applies on latest version only, not in the older version. If you are using a very old phone, it's not gonna give a orange button, but it is and apply it accordingly. So let's just, and so as you can see, it comes like top is actually showing me the orange color, and use another things which is going to be inside a design view and open up our XML file and use some more steps to our XML and give it comes inside our view and give it a preview. So inside a linear layout and use inside a linear layout and move it. So after that has been done, and look forward to a button. So this is the button 1, but inside text view 1, and give it a text size Android Android text size will be, for example, 15 SP. Remember, SP stands for text only, so 15 looks good, or no, 16, 20, okay, 20 looks good. So Control C and apply it right over here as well. So it comes like team A, team B as well. So right there, and add a color to that as well. Give it a color, and color will be hashtag 000000, and there you can see it's a black color. So Control C comes over here, Control V, okay, and give it a font, Android font for anti-font family, and font family will be sans serif. Comes away, Control C, inside here also Control V. After this, and work with second one, that is a big size to my text size will be like 50 SP, so it becomes much more bigger. Control C and apply it in the second one as well. So back and add a color to my text, text color is gonna be hashtag 00000. Grab it, Control C. Inside here, I'm gonna go ahead and Control V. So that looks pretty nice. Font family for font family, sans serif. Control C and Control V. So that looks pretty nice as we have added that one. So and copy this, Control C, comes over here, and we need a preview. I'm gonna go here and give it color, background color, apply it over there. So then Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, and same way I'm gonna then apply it right over here. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Same way with the button, Control V. So everything is all orange. So that looks pretty nice, and as you can see, it just goes and feel like stuck inside episode and give it a margin to that. So where the button starts, so this is the first button, padding like 4 dp. See if that does some work. Nope. 10 dp. Okay, let's just keep it as Android margin 10 dp. 10 dp, which takes too much of space. 5 dp. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it, give it as 7 dp, grab it, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, same way, then apply it, Control V, Control V. I hope you find it useful, and at this point of time you must be thinking, okay, I'm pretty nice with all of the tutorials, and you have congratulations, you have actually build an application that looks pretty amazing to me and for you as well, and run it inside our emulator that is Genymotion. So there you have created your very own Genymotion application, not Genymotion Android application. You can run it to test that out, and everything looks pretty nice. This is like stuck on the ground, so let's just give it as margin bottom and give it as 10 dp, so it just rises a little bit. So, and open it up, and right over here we will get a little lower reset button is gonna come a little bit up. So there you can see your very own Android application has been successfully created. You can go ahead and reset it as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you try that out, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to look forward to whatever upcoming videos and come with Android Studio. So I'll see you guys in the upcoming video. My name is Nasir, and I'm signing you.